Nancy Griffin. I'm so glad you decided to join me for my Get Moving Challenge. I can't wait to help you transform your fitness, your physique, and your life. But it won't happen without healthy habits and the right mindset. So let's talk about habits. First of all, your habits need to be specific and intentional. You need to write them down. I will do Nancy's video every day at 8 a.m. and I will drink 24 ounces of lukewarm water every morning, first thing. Set the stage and the environment. Lay out your clothes the night before, get your mat and your weights ready, and find a 24-ounce container to pour your water in the night before so you know you'll be ready. And last, avoid distractions. First thing, avoid anything that could take you away from your positive habits. The first one I recommend is stay away from social media. That way, when you first get up, you won't lose 30 minutes. You'll go straight to your workout. So I recommend you work out first thing every morning. And the morning mindset routine is, first, start with 3 gratefuls. 3 things I am grateful for. Say them out loud before you even get out of bed. Second, choose one person whom you will serve today. It could be your spouse, a friend, a client, or even yourself. But think about that person and what they might be thinking about. And last, let's take 3 cleansing breaths each morning. And we're going to do that right now. So place your hand on your thighs, melt your shoulders, and have a nice relaxed seat right here. We're going to take a nice deep breath in through the nose, long deep inhalation. Hold it in as long as you possibly can. And then exhale just as slowly as you took that inhale. Now let's try that one more time. Inhale deep in through your nose. And exhale out. Last one. Inhale deep in through your nose, all that positive energy. And exhale, let go of all the negative energy. Wonderful. Do that each morning. And you will start your day set. So I've set the stage. You've got the baby steps. Follow the plan. Work out each morning. And today, we will get you started with some exercise. So you have the marching orders. You know what to do. And after you've done your exercise, share a picture on Instagram or your thoughts. And you can tag me at Nancy L. Griffin or Move with Nancy. Hashtag Move with Nancy. If you don't like Instagram, hit reply on any of my emails and you know I will get it. I can't wait to hear from you. And at the end of the day, if you want to lose the gut, you got to move your butt. I'm counting on you. Let's go.